po nagsalita po yung misis ko na
Hindi nga, ganito, wala na akong time eh. Pinapunta ka niya ron, kasi nandito kayo, nag-usap kayo eh. O, kayong dalawa mag-asawa, punta kayo ron ng alas 9. Pumunta kayo, sinabi mo niya wala nang restitution.
Noong una po, wala pong sinabing may restitution, pero nung sumunod po, yung panghuli po naming usapan po is may restitution, magkano daw po ang restitute namin, tapos kakasuhan din po daw kami at hindi didiinan. Pero gusto ko po, Your Honor, na hindi na po muna magsalita ng dire-diretso kasi po yung huli po yung misis ko na nagsalita siya na hindi daw po kami kasama sa WPP, yung natatandaan ko po yung huling hearing po dito, ay nakulong po yung misis ko sa Davao. Samantalang meron naman po nag-exist na project. Kaya natatakot po ako, Your Honor, na baka pag nagsalita na rin po ako, baka po sa susunod po ako naman po ang makulong. Kaya hindi na po ako magsasalita.
Salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair, point of order before the next.
Yes, Senator Risa.
Salamat, Mr. Chair. Pwede po bang malaman kung tulad ng iniutos ng Chair nung nakaraang hearing, nag-submit na po sina Mr. and Ms. Diskaya nung buong listahan nila, ledger, ng mga proyekto nila kasama ang mga joint venture projects para sa mga taong 2016 hanggang 2022?
Your Honor, nung nakalabas po ako, Your Honor, nung nakaraan po, ay hindi po kami pinapasok halos ng mga taga City Hall. Kasi po yung mga taga City Hall po, pinasarado po nila yung office namin. Kasi po, nirevoke po nila yung business permit po namin dahil sa kakulangan po ng occupancy permit. So, nakiusap po kami sa City Hall na sana po papasukin po yung mga taga Senate Sergeant at Arms at ayaw po nila papasukin. At ngayon po, wala na po kaming empleyado. Lahat po sila ay iniwan na po kami o yung iba po ay separated na po kasi sarado na po yung kumpanya namin. Ganun din po yung mga nangungumpahan sa office po namin na building na pinuupahan ay wala na rin po sila doon. Kanya-kanya na po sila ng sara.
Mr. Chair, diretso lang po yung tanong ko pero hindi diretso yung sagot. Parang kanina, lahat po tayo physically naghitla dun sa sinabi ni Mr. Diskaya na parang sila pa yung nanakawan. I would like to request the good chair to please reiterate yung utos ng komite kina Mr. Diskaya. I-submit yung ledger na sinabi ni Ms. Diskaya noon, meron sila ng mga proyekto pati joint venture projects mula 2016 hanggang 2022. Huwag po nilang sisisihin ng City Hall. Hindi po yan kasalanan ng City Hall dahil subject yan ng utos ng Blue Ribbon Committee, Mr. Chair. Sabi rin po ng ating secretary sa komite, nag-follow up po sila kina Mr. Diskaya last week, pero hanggang ngayon po, 3:44 na po ng hapon. Almost 3 hours mula nung nagsimula tayo, hindi pa rin sila sumusunod sa utos ng Blue Ribbon, Mr. Chair.
Your Honor, makikiusap po sana ako na baka para mas kumpleto po yung project list po na makuha ninyo, baka po pwedeng isubpoena na lang po ang DPWS kasi may copy naman po sila kasi wala na po kami talagang mga empleyado na mag-aasikaso. Ako po nakakulong sa Senate po, yung misis ko naman nakakulong sa Davao. So wala po kami mautusan, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, I will submit to the wisdom of the Chair kung ano po yung pinakamabisang paraan. Ang hinahanap ko lang pong outcome ay mabigay ng mga ni na Mr. at Ms. Diskaya yung ledger nila na sinabi ni Ms. Diskaya mayroon sila nung mga joint venture and other projects nila mula 2016 hanggang 2022. Ewan ko ba, Mr. Chair, binabato pa nila sa DPWH yung responsibilidad sumunod sa utos ng Blue Ribbon, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Senator Risa. We'll try to resolve that issue.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Senator JB Ejercito is recognized.
Just a quick manifestation, Mr. President, with the permission of Senator.
Yes, go ahead.
Well, Mr. President, ako hindi nagtataka bakit hindi tinatanggap sa Witness Protection Program itong mga Diskaya. Dito lang sa Senado, hindi na kayo nagko-cooperate eh. Ito'y patunay na mukhang hindi kayo qualified maging witness. Kung sa Senado, hindi kayo nagko-cooperate. Bakit kayo bibigyan ng puwang ng mga taga-WPP? For the record, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator JB.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Chair, when Yusek Bernardo tried to confer with his counsel, the counsel approached him and then before anything else, he also went to PG Padulyon. Why is that, Mr. Chair?
Kasi he's already admitted sa WPP and doon sa kanilang existing na rules, under the rules, kailangan bago sumagot, baka maka-apekto sa kanyang pagka-admit. Kailangan talaga may clearance sa DOJ. Thank you.
Medyo magulo yun, Mr. Chair, kasi
Medyo magulo nga rin, pero yun ang kanilang...
Bakit kinakailangan nyo siyang padalan dito pagkatapos marirestrict din pala? This is an open investigation. Sana walang ganon kasi nangyari na sa amin yon when the former DOJ was here. Habang nag-uusap-usap kami rito, habang nagtatanong-tanong kami, kukunin niya yung isang witness namin o isang resource person, dadalhin sa NBI. Pagdating sa NBI, meron ng supplemental affidavit. Naguguluhan kami sa ganung pangyayari. This is supposed to be an independent committee under the legislature. The DOJ is an executive department. I'm not questioning this, no? But parang magulo lang sa amin. So, kaya ko lang na-point out, Mr. Chair.
Question sa DOJ. Under the WPP, law ba itong yung ganyan? Or send nyo lang?
Confidentiality, yes, Mr. Chair. The matter that pertains in confidentiality of the proceedings as well as the manner by which the witness was evaluated and how he was covered is confidential. That's the reason why it is being invoked by the witness, Mr. Chair, because like I said earlier, it is not because we want to restrict his testimony, but there is a law. The law itself
So it is
provides
the law
yes,
that says so?
yes, and it
So-
provides for penal sanctions.
Okay.
Mr.
So
Chair.
to answer the question of the concern of Secretary or Senator Marcoleta, kailangan yamen yung law pala. No.
Mr. Chair.
That may be one of the suggestions since the committee is investigating this in aid of legislation. If that is considered a restriction in investigations like this, then maybe the law will have to be amended first.
In the meantime, constrain kayo ng batas.
Yes, Mr. Chair, we are
Thank you.
constrained by law.
Thank you, PG.
Mr. Chair, kasi yung interpretation niya ang palaging mali eh. Yung confidentiality dyan na pinag-uusapan, sa inyo lang yun, sa witness protection ninyo dyan. Pero di pagdating dito, it does not apply. Ikaw lang ang nag-interpret kasi kaya kanina pa tayo nagtatalo eh.
May I respond, Mr. Chair? With all due respect to Senator Marcoleta saying that our interpretation is always wrong, the law itself provides for it, Section 7. And we are not raising this, like I said, simply because we want to constrict the investigation. The law does not make a distinction whether the investigation is going to be done elsewhere or in the Senate or before the House of Representatives. So, we are simply citing the law and we are constrained by the law because, as I said, there are penal sanctions.
So if the law does not provide any distinction, bakit nga kailangan ka pang mag-confer sa ano? Bakit kailangan ka pang puntahan? Ikaw na nagsasabi ng walang distinction eh, di ba? So kung nandito siya, let him speak. Na hindi na dapat pupunta pati yung counsel niya. Yun lang, mali na eh. Meron siyang sariling counsel, pagkatapos pupunta pa siya sa'yo. It is an insult to his own personal counsel. Kaya magulo talaga eh. Gusto ko itanong halimbawa kay Yusek Bernardo, in-apply nyo na pala siya sa WPP. Ni-require nyo siya ng restitution, di ba? Sasabihin mo na naman, that's confidential. Kamo na naman.
No, Mr. Chair, I'm not going to say that's confidential.
No, earlier, you were talking about confidentiality. You remember the last time?
Yes, I did mention that, Mr. Chair. I talked
Oh,
about
why are you
confidentiality. But with respect to the restitution, I think that's a matter of public record already. Because that was already stated by Mr. Bernardo and he was allowed by the Secretary of
Yes,
Justice.
earlier you were not forthright in answering that. Nung tinatanong ko, ang una mong sinabi, that's confidential. Now, nagsasabi ka, it is not confidential. So, paiba-iba ka ng posisyon eh talaga.
Mr.
Hindi tayo magkakasundo.
Mr. Chair, if he
I'm
just...
not asking any questions anymore.
No, I'm just raising the question to the
Thank
chairman,
you,
Mr. Chair.
You cannot do that.
Thank you. Are we done? So, sige, let's move on. Kung walang members na gusto magtanong do sa ating dalawang bagong witnesses, no, in relation to the Diskaya Romualdez issue, then we'll excuse them already.
Mr. Chair, gusto ko sanang magtanong lang sana
Sige,
kung
go ahead.
papayag ka.
Of course.